Japan or say ni showdown walk no baso na showdown walk no one in an echo or no echo na mo kwane say den ebedi adanse se ampa onmunyamfo Kennedy akompre kwa Japona opem wasen central emrahye bedwani MPP amanyokoro mfene semanhia ni nyina ne se wo so obeda super delegate na obeda mo ase na no adamatme ato abama no ese MPP amanyokoro manya Franka Tuni na nyame pa Friday bia no nan kwesi no nsia e osompa ye kasafidie so ni tim no betena se no madi no adanse pa e de akira mansa no ma bia waye de ama adehye a wanya MPP for no ma bia waye de ama MPP amanyoko na amansansi anka nkyere wa wunim na se boso e kyere wa no se papa wo sefata esa MPP amanyoko no odi esane anim e break 8 no enu ntino ni team ne se omo boase de super delegates conference mo yede ma no na November mo san akwa endorse no na ono abe Franka Tuni e jama MPP amanyoko no ntini showdown walk no e baso na e baso a dey na wo de e ka ho o se nyina uniform yede ade baako anikro e na ko walk no wodi ene ye che ena woto wodi ene t-shirt ena wobeto ana wodi ene eye mark ena woje ni nyina no obaso mpe premises ya se ni t-shirt ni bi na wobesha wobetuma nya bi ato bi ye 60 Ghana cedis e bi ye 40 Ghana cedis sa so na ba e che no bi ho ena mark no ebiso e ho ni tini nyina no na waba no waba beji bi bre no so a walk na show down walk na nyina yakọ number wo achirichi na person friend ye bi brel ana bebusa asem bi abefre no eye 0278 369 494 0278 369 494 na bibia aye kama mami abe ese abe heba clinic de nyame nam so de bibidro esa yade na yade bai ena de ko abe heba clinic aso ya ontimi ensa ema wo se nyame nam so etu yade ahodo ase bi se eye ulcer ebi se eyamkro otu ase bema obema ni eso a wo hye boxer mpona entimi endrom ye unsa wo ye bema ni nyina no ko ben bema emu aye du sa bele wo so aba enu chino wo se diabetes wo de na malaria ana se etware ya de na ofie ho ni nyina no betu ase e de amamon enu etu wo se ade bia wiase woni seso nyame de acha no yaresa na ye fe no sickle cell yade no sa akoda wo de na no etwa aman akoda na no etwa nsuo akoda wo de nsuo baye nkojai no nsuo tutoi ebia ho tutuo ba na eba ni nyina no wo de ko maami aba oda abeheba clinic ano a o metu ase e de amatwe na kira kwan e okumasi krobia mo atano so apatrapa new site oben apatrapa junction wo do dru ba bia taxi rank no na busa taxi drivers no ese maami abe e wo hene o be kiro frɛ no wo 0243 34 53 92 0243 34 53 92 and 0506 46 0208 ofrena obejo so na bibia eso ayekama na the sciatica expert Dr. Blessed Kofi Foster na yara sabia your friend 21st clinic na Kumasi Krodwam ha Ghana ha we are say your friend semanhia amanfo nhia na anka ene de sciatica de amankrofo bubu edadem na nsunyame nti 21st clinic ba ye sciatica ya de no agira ase etu ye ntakwante edini bemo ye mpotem na sciatica ya de no yade be yade a eso na ntu na aso na nkokom na ekoto ase veins ne twetwon esa na se wonam a wanya bibimu anso na ba bi mu antena wutimi enko na no manyina enkoe ma ene friend sciatica ena ko 21st clinic omo de bibidro pa ebetu ase de ama na omo doctors ne nurses omo bi na omo ehye omo nim dia ombebo ama sciatica ya de no omo etu ase de ama enu achi no omo se enka nto se enya sciatica na ya de bi mpo a nyame ntuba ombesa ya de ama omo lab technicians o a moja no ombedom su kwa hwe moja no bia ya de no akwa enu achi no se scan machine a ende abusu two wancha on be wura ni padua no scan ni padua na hunu ya de kra ni padua no enu achi mfidie pi na ho ntibra na yen krokro na yen saw ya de na 21st clinic se ya de bia no eto entime ntwa kumasia owo bia ya ye fro ahwia overseas Johnson oben Alpha Radio kumasia hona be more than 15 branches wo Ghana ha no Accra wo Dome market wo ena sunwane ebi ho saso ena opiem e won Kranza Techiman ena Cape Coast krade na oboase de udu bia ya ye fro council quarters ho ana benuko junction wa eno sciatica expert 21st clinic phone 0540311311 0540311311 sasuna miso drink no na miso fruit drink no drink bia ye di free enuabam your mango flavor your pineapple guava ni nyina ho na ye dia fam fidiem a ho te kire ni nkeka wo boni bia no bad and answer side effect bia nyabinom na emoba na ukọ program biase a senkramofo program esuna anasa adoa yanom no ase se ukọ asantefo so dia anasa Christopher dia eno se ye se eye dia ni nyina na badi nto nya no omo 7 wase ho bosomsomfo na ahia omo no mizo food drink apemfo no bad time no sa so nkwada no emrewafo no obianom bi nyabinom bia ye ton drink bia kwa a osimi mizo food drink test ni aye kama eno chedi miza 5G swaba wonya binum ebebo apa wo nante kakra no abre sa so ya adwuma akra no abre sa so ena uye ni pakese opese wo sote srade na adoro ni padua no enane nane a wo de miza 5G evise gwara na ewom ni jensen green tea no ebo ni padua bema so de mo lawyer kese no nya miza 5G ni binom na nkoye wo do ni tirem o manager Daniel 21st clinic overseas ubenya bi etu akoto na ba akwaje eno ach be kind supermarket sister sewa wo abawa post office anumanje opium mama Esther adumni asumdwe junction udru abuakwa after Baptist University no ho na open mama Esther PNC Ventures wo anumanje taxi station wo on Charity Hospital junction no ene dem twesa so opium na search enterprise or asafa bintu on VIP car park no ene di enutwe na frɛ no I was 0246 270221 frɛ na bebe obi number no ye de drinks ni bibe bro no aton no nyamfa so pi o pe bi a fridge mi so na dia program bia na betuma be serve bi wase eso da ma 0246 270221 na bibia enye kama yemfa nsema do ya boabo no na wiei engu form ema o shootout dwumadie yi eso obakaya enura ene ye ball asutire ese ene ebo no ndupe Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium Krobie Kumasa Santi Kotoko omo Bed Power Premier League Day 3 game omne Karela United be pim so no en central function na coach ya fan Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum and Steven Mukwala evident central for be share din komo ampa en etimi eba so ma Kotoko etim no aso etimi ne en central for Asia na Dr. Prosper Nate Ogmoye coach Adma Santi Kotoko esha se wo kasana na season we de obianim se ansha se ye amfama Asante Kotoko enyem se so panyin season se de Kotoko asha se no supporters na kuma enyo so kwa dey na wo kan e de afa ho de akere.
To me 34 games 2 gone 32 more to go. It's a long journey and I've always been telling them at training that they should keep their heads up and chest out. To me, I mean, if you look at the 2 games that we played, if you look at some players even reporting late, we got some players very late for our preseason. But I don't believe in attributions. So if you listen to my interviews, attributions explain or they describe the reason why you succeeded or you failed. I don't believe in that. So, but I'm letting you understand that in terms of the blending process, most of these guys did not report well on time. And then when they reported, a few also had injury situations. And we are trying to fix all these things. So to me, if you look at the 2 games, I would say that I'm okay with it and we can do better.
Enu yen sama Asante Kotoko head coach friend Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum edi to gba say 2 games o ma bono wo hwe ni players na ebi kwa no to mo ma mantem ti preseason no o mo ntimanya enough time na mom 2 games no na ba mu o hwe performance na eye na games no e do so 34 games afa no mabo 2 pe ntimo ma mu yam enhyehye mo na no chi e no sa kasa fa twen honhom e so ye Kotoko supporter na wo ye obi a do Asante Kotoko ade o so ye ni.
What I want to tell them is that it's a process. We are building a new team. We are building a team that can compete at any level. And building a team that can compete at any level, you need some patience, you need some time to be able to do that. I know the club I'm coaching is all about result. But the result will come if we do the right things from the beginning. And to me, as a technical staff and the Palace and the IMC, we are doing the right thing by trying to make sure that we build a formidable team. So they have to be patient. What I want to tell them is that it's a process.
I know yeah, Dr. Ogum no. I say a process. And Timunya abotre. Oh, I just say on nim team na oh ya no nim se kotoko de da bia ye win. And I'm open name omunya abotre no nim team na wo hyehyɛ no. Eno achi na ebusan se coach eno kre. Eso ye kabi an kabi. O dictate edima players no. Wo hye wo mo so. Yenti anu ye odemai.
Lifestyle of the field is concerned. It's up to them. We can just guide and direct them. But when it comes to training and games, we want to get 100% plus from them. So when it comes to their lifestyle, I mean, as a player, you should know when to sleep, when to rest, I mean, when to do other things. As a head coach and as a technical team, Steven is here. We don't force things down their throat. We ask them to express themselves, communicate with us, and they should feel free around us. And that is the wind that is flowing. And once
anu yan samuni nchirechiremu a ode ema esa Steven Mukwala na tene nche mpa musa no but ono oye obi a wodo ma no de as a footballer e so o kire time e so da anytime e so oye ono ma bebri ne se de train ne so fa no na o wie na ebusan se coach to na chitafo no supporters no de na abeka e de a kire o mo.
Our fans, all the stakeholders within the team to rally behind the team on Sunday, that they will come in their numbers, even more than double or 3 times what we saw against Heart of Lions. And I must use this platform to commend the supporters on that day. They shouldn't entertain any fear within them. They should come in their numbers, expect us to play good and win. And once we have that signal that they are coming to support us, and they are not going to be desperate and rather rant at us, but they are rather going to be very supportive emotionally. I'm sure we and the players will be able to live up to the task.
Eno afutuo ene ade sede a ode to asante kotokwachi tafo nanim ese so far moda no ma bi ni suban pa bi adi a kire mo na mu so a na mo nta team na chi na ba so mo so no benya pe atima ya adwuma no ede amamo na na Steven Mukwala eso player obegina mu ene central for din komo na ade ba kwa na supporter bi party ene contract a one kotoko team no obeka ya oba no osan mfiemienu contract with option for another year na so far the second season over me say contract no say na 170 or twice na why dey
basically I'll talk with the management, but currently I can't talk about it now. Basically I'll talk with the management, but currently I can't talk about it now.
On management be di ho komo but say don't timi nka bibia nshada emfa ho enu ye de tie na Asante Kotoko team no awiai omo ekọ akoye train no padwu ye team no ha anwumrei na omukọ akoye train na bibia so aye kama na ohwe eye team na na se omukọ ne no ma ekoso nyina no bibia edidadida na akwam kama eno eche so omuboabo mo head of a game edom anima omne Karela edi ebepem so eno ye de tie no mabadwafo nya tenase na mom mayenwuram awie ya yenka bi nhemu na apem FIFA omunkrabata ba akwa from CAS ede verdict bi ede aba ni nyina ye tema youth FC ede appeal bi and a request ekomom so mbesre esan komom prevent sa demotion no say ede o tema youth for ekopiem division 2 from a division 1 zone 3 no na ni nyina no say omo case bi omo Ghana Football Association omo twen say final decision ebeba ntinka ben campaign for CAS for enka bi emma wo mo eno na sa appeal de kwai no de eba no say CAS are reject omabo appeal no omabo ato form kra ni nyina concerning Abante Joseph Pencil obekaya eba se tamid for aton ni sika ba ye no ensem no kwa dedwa eba se o se omutua bi de ekokoma etima na osi aka de mo a ye from Young Red Bulls no muntua bi enkoma Ghana Football Association na ebiso enkonkoma Gaka na sika tua no no ene kokoye ensem bebra tema youth for entua enam so ma young Red Bull for so esan take action edit Tema youth for no enam so eman sem no koda discipline announce appeals committee mo tena tansem so ma yete Tema youth kura 3 points aman sem na ko edwa no nenam so ma Tema youth edin sem no ekokoda cars en kabe anka cars en kabi enfam no so cars mpanyim for tena se eti afanu no bonkuro no mo se Tema youth team no omuni enyina so bia eno ede dawa yede emamo enne awie eso wosa case ababeda ho enne awie e odwumadi no so abadwa fortuna se Michael Akumia response mizaya wa ha saso Michael Asaribodu e wa na Collins Atapoku eso atena se e wo efidio mame sha se free Michael Asaribodu Mickey enya ye okay mame sha Akumia
Luta
okay
me say mame nche eti for mutie na awie oh wo father ofariabo ukoba me no wunya asem ye ba ha kakra ye bi ni bibinya asem Luta first of all my mokuma asante koto company for abaso pretty much they very necessary na be sure say the game na nkasa ho nyoma ahodo na bebre na no you better discuss when the time is getting closer for Kotoko to play. Near heard the coach in the Susun Sembi or the two about the game in particular now about Koheno. Who you may be beating me akoso. But a baby a catching attention ye pa Bukwala contract in sense the Tosumi no. Coach in Ankasa describing the relationship with the players no. And the Tosumi and or describing what they want to do, the whole idea and the plan behind the project that umpeso moye. My sha seen free tournament done in the Sika Kalami de Mukwala de Nababi. You see, young for mo supporting these clubs here, because I am my papa mo. A lot of Nkofo who do now Mudi Kumasa Sante Kotoko, do na Barcelona fans, do na Manchester United fans, do na Chelsea fans, do na Liverpool fans. Moi motia say who say wa coach or one man on the team wa. Okacho se nya abotre because team no a players foforo na yede abe mafe na wo hihya oti ase na nya ntobo ase ma no utimi nya akomapa e de tachiri e ka se oh Pochettino crowd obefa Chelsea de afe no asensan new players inti mo ma ne bre no hihye team no fa team ne nye dai NGBB but who the same person na no o sa support Kumasi Asante Kotoko who expect say coach na ba fresh na no ma signing new players they about within the setup ni no ene coach ni safa new players na adimanimu ya coach na fanji bibi adai. That means you are living a double standard life. Is it true say this team will need time? Because we bet me argue from a different point of view say no, I wouldn't agree with Messiah asema wo can say coach no sha self because Kotoko no ye nimidi ye Kotoko no ye dey when yes, we've moved from that particular stage where Kotoko win no kwa emfa ngusi baby ana players in the fana you don't even have a solid foundation. Na team na sajegu. You don't have a solid foundation, na team na sajegu. And besides, the Kotoko we know now is not the Kotoko we knew back then. Me and that I own. The Kotoko we know now, it is not the Kotoko we know back then. Kotoko ano mutimi dominate Koji Africa. Kotoko okobo CAF Champions League awanya de kra ne final bi de Kotoko na even oboduru group stage our CAF competitions you know and the Kotoko boduru group stage ani e bosiri he ni to kosoro. That is not the Kotoko we know. So manage your expectations here, managing ye na support to team ni through thick and thin. Now say if the project is realistic, now to me say e betimi aboa ma club na timi atumpa mo bi obeba nchiri bia no etimi abedi di hu bia, why don't you support it and push it? Edidi preko anyu
edidi dane
edidi preko ena edi adru ba bia yedri na afri se Simba mo ufi se Orlando Pirates mo sore ya no mo se asese dia win nana ana ala Kotoko eni ala limu na what level you see when you ala limu na what level no those days currently as I'm talking to you now unti uni ala limu any bobre bia uni ala li any bobre bia as we talk now uni ni bobre bia munshia you don't even meet munshia o bia because o monko wani so munya botre they to sumienu obi besu argue say Kotoko players no mu wom ne do na experience ne alade ye last season Kumasi asate Kotoko span of the team Fede Kasare ne dan lada so ho meboa ukopie mu left back na etedeku ene Osebus Nicholas ana na echebo teleku injury okonchen Nicholas konchen kakra ubepie mu center back na Yusuf Mubarak apeu Maxwell Ajimai ana mu alasa ana na eche center back no bo among these particular 4 players ni nyina and obi ani Kumasi Asante Kotoko Maxwell Ajimai ni wo apeu ni wo Yusuf Mubarak ni wo ana mu alasa so ni wo oko right back na ogesi na Japan ba na obra na apushi Sheriff
Edna Beshaw Charles
Mfikura de no mani nya bi krampo mo no aba beka sese ewo ma na obo ba ko bi no konchen ogesi na Japan pe de no aba mfimfi Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfield na Richard Bodu Agadas Richmond Lamte sezeze ye fit ana sezeze bebobi
Sompa
what did they mention as no up front Enoch Morrison Infegi ana Bukwala and then Fifi on Richard Bodu Agadas way
Oko Libya
Lamte da so ho meboa and then no Morrison so da so ho Rashid Notem be fam kakra zeze susu prayer afi no oba
interesting name. Where is he? Morrison.
You know Morrison is still there. What prayer no so boba. It's in a coach and they say injuries team nim. But I read the spine of the team now. He's now building a new spine for the club using one young talent. And then cry on bet me watch for 2 or 3 years. Be at least so turn or cry now. Me say 2 or 3 years. What turn number be called the base near day. So a lot of key players within the spine of the team, which is goalkeeper, centre back, midfield, and even in attack, some of them no crampo no be we injury afi crampo no moye day or moba. So allow the process to grow. Munya botrema process na Kumasi Asante Kotoko. E decide so mo be no. E grow. You might have your differences. Enye de obi pe ana ope. Yet ase. But when it comes to the club and supporting the club to bet out, and untimi criticize said this won't work because NC no aka say esibida. And as a coach we buy no kwa wantimi anye. Allow him to do it. Give him the room to do it. Say the bear you can criticize him constructively. So one our class process in the bear day. And who go through process on they are setting up and downs. But now how are the stages of how our build team and how our team is here to crumbling empire, false dawns. Ni now or honor in this particular part. You do maybe a bit more cogeni now on your way. Do this stage. A bit more qua bon only so bo only so was on your way. There are various levels of rebuilding a team, and Kotoko went down and they want to bring it up. So miti coach na say sending some now walk no true no correct montanechi. Only time and patience will prove whether sending some no kind no correct and I say no correct. But ni na be ebetimi abamu pe na timi ato aso na senya no kra na wo ho no ma no start process bia okofa coach for fraba. Is the same project na ye dey e wo trim say wo process ani pa kro ne be fa no fan to aso no mama timi ntimi fa nto ma pan fa fira no they tosu mi no players or more club nim yen amano ne ye cassette asa ne o man player FC me friend player FC at time
ene de hen
you see minim say obi benya interest in a team because of a player. There is no doubt about it. What I say. But the moment you put the player before the club, you put also a Kotoko supporter. Say player binti na all support team na say. But if you are trying to put the interest of the player before ana udi di any mu can change club ni na interest no, it is not good at all. A good club on time. And a day konkonsan keten neban. Ana mekura mami mobi. Ana mekura mami nyese. Ana mekura we boja we. Na konkonsan keten nene na masie. Ana we kura we nyese. You see, you went there to do your job. Do your job and go home. Prove coach is wrong. Prove coach is wrong. Hey, Vincent Atinga. Oba has and the sika kono. Hey, no mo beso bubu. Vincent Atinga omu ye train to de bi kura ne mu eden no mu pese obebo bi ye cat top center backs at level house fuka as at that time I chanda sika kono de we de Vincent Atinga bi shiba na o on phone kura on mehu. But you see edrum rebu ye cat top center backs at no house fuka na bebo hwan din
ono na abebo.
And then Vincent Atinga no because wa Vincent Atinga wa papa sa sound bite no so okay Vincent Atinga way and wa ba ko bo wa fu age and obetimi di necessity ni bo aka se me ma mo blaster ma mo afcon ba ma je wa fu ama Ghana.
Oh yeah.
Mediama edge league no na me ye dey
Captain
no
yes, a captain keke o play
major role. So you work your way to the top. Abdul Fattah Osafiu. Ofene ke koso no mkodi na tem no. Omo se akwa ball kra mama bo bi da. Hey. Bedroom maybe no kotoko the last time omo ko ball group stage of Africa no. Na one na your part of form attackers. Na one na a key player wo.
Okay.
Oni Sonny Yakuba. Ana na echebo. So san your man kete I know so sometimes it is painful to watch your players so talented not be giving you an opportunity to play. But sometimes unya abotreso na working your way into the squad and BBN won maybe to stop you from dominating within the setups.
Okay.
It is uncommon or raised by any say or the players and say on your kasa saying, you see, there was one particular moment me na me deso kasa say so when you come on the field and it's time for training, we expect you to give 120 because that is your job. And you try akaba off the pitch, you know. If you obey, they will try and guide, not necessarily try and force.
Yeah. Any time on busa or dictate my players.
Or dictate map no say there be, but almost demand they say oh you training na. Ne bogema, they demand a lot from me, which is everywhere. But off the pitch, you know, so officer on be too full. Now be February last season, most of the players no more dance to be do baby or more than that no. More reasons why at this season Kotoko wanted to camp all their players at one place. And those things were affecting their performances. Players no more yan your hunubi sabi. Na affect your performances. It's a trimutesa. Obo Kotoko trimio de kasane dos work your way into the team and play well.
Matia Kumia, me da say we wakasa papa say players no ankasa 80 no supporters ni tia de wo say omunya na na wi wo dia mo no ame kwa sare bodu megi
Luta
awie saboko de
nyame ado bibia ika
ba western region ne ba ye football mrane normal bibra na meta down pa na awie ya wa kwa na ko fare ba ye kenkan ka ye hwehwehwe mu an ibe hu say cars etema UFC omo request from the kodam omo turning it down for sanka omo demotion to division 2 from division 1 yeah to omo 3 points ni nyina no because of some so omo case be pending with the Ghana Football Association na emu nchiremu no pa no gom omo say my mensa no gom mame
so case near related to the transfer of Joseph Pencil.
Okay.
Joseph Pencil no aboard ama young Red Bull pen. Wa body ama Tema Youth pen. Na ko yan ba so mo ton for sika ne boy 3 million euros. Na per contractor aye Tema Youth ne Red Bull wono. Red Bull young Red Bull for ni gidi say wasanki etua sika ne mu be 30% ade momo. Na Tema Youth enso ne omo nyadwen. Nti young Red Bull
for 30% in about 688,000 euros.
700 and then 90 something million euros. Na Tema Youth to 122,000 euros. So no say dia kan dia won tua.
Okay.
Nti eno ho kwanebra mintua obetua no. Ana e Kenya omo a case na nkasa start March 2022. Na young Red Bull for no edit Tema Youth for call the player status committee. Status committee no man trying so cry and omo take a decision edit at Tema Youth say omuntia sika ne boy 688,000 euros and for my young Red Bull.
Okay.
But then so after the ombesan so twist can be crowd ama GFA Negalka. There's a GFA Negalka scano and here 150,000 euros each.
That's a 300,000.
Exactly. In T first and nanko bit 700,000 nanko yine ho kakra no. CC no betua bi di account.
Okay.
Decision ne ba no tema you to boanjo so. Intomo peja asem na the GFA appeals committee. This was in July 2022. Sorry, June 2022. And appeals committee no almost the decision by say Wamoje Temayu appeal ni to mwenye into mo kura the decision of a player status committee.
Okay.
Yes, or more share set Temayu also mutual sikano and so edema young Red Bull GFA Nigalka. No more 14 days to effect payment. Temayu still now in Tiasie. So what happened was that in July 2022 no or more file a stay of execution. A year the GFA's appeals committee. Amfa. And no young Red Bull for no and so take action say your core player status committee. Your free player status committee, your core appeals committee. Ni na no decision akwa mae. Inti ada intina tema you to more enforce emrano say omuntu esikana de na GFA nemra neka maybe per the disciplinary code of a Ghana Football Association. Tema youth file appeal stay of execution on the local terrain and you man no call CAS no call file for another stay of execution seeking a provisional measure against payment of the monies to GFA Young Red Bull and Agalka. Appeal no the call CAS no for stay of execution no. There was not a definite way say omaji atuma or munjintum, but within that time then a Young Red Bull for a file for enforcement of the decision of a PSC and then the appeals committee. And no no FNH says Sadia 14-day deadline na etwemuno. And the omo trigger the disciplinary code. Disciplinary code ne say a final one ye take a decision biti out. Now was all within a certain timeline 1 year, not deadline etwemua. And was here the association nemra ni deal. There's a way na say fata say Temayu and say own 2 years kaninti. Match be a no bebo be ano. Opa uncle bopa mombo. You better 3 points at 3 goals.
Let's obo amo lucy.
You better 3 points at 3 goals. And then they did more a lead to Temayu say omo ko relegation because of that point deduction na omo ye no. Now omo ye wie no na ye season no. Nti ye season na say Temayu in zone 3 of a Division 1 league obeko relegation. And at Temayu for file a request to CAS. Omo put in the request to CAS for provisional measures say in August 2023, 25th of August precisely. Anka table na was on 3 na FA need be di man come relegate omo Temayu no. Mema FA no mema CAS form peneso sa. Na mo twentwen so. Kopim say asemanka say wo CAS ho concern no mo Temayu against the GFA, against Galka and against Young Red Bull no. Omo ken wi ansana FNA cry and adwin say all promoted teams are relegated teams in zone 3 of a Division 1 league. And no 22nd of October ya ana CAS decision nearby say sa injunction na Temayu for pay say zone 3 table no me enfendi dwuma no omo njintum. This was on the 22nd of September, 5 days ago. And as our decision nearby, and CAS had dismissed the request by Temayu Sanka or more sikisat a year provisional measure no na a maintaining the status quo. Sanka more that so a Division 1 league club. So decision nearby no near shame him say the final arbitral award and so be free CAS waba. Make a final arbitral award na. Now say in 70 na no kesia nankasa say CAS editum set Temayu into his kana na amount ya sa asem no nyankan nti ne ahwe nim so obeka no de sa award na ba CAS omo nka ne decision omo kana award nti omo ye wie no ana nyankopon ya adoma ende ana efe na publish say omo sa ka CAS award no na omo chechem so de egu omo website nti ko efe ne website a obehu the storyline and you can even find the background to the cases near there. Now CAS decision nearby ebekom, but in summary the CAS can say assemni na no mutieti mu omumwa ene se Temayu for. Yes, nti omo request na ye omo ye no inadmissible. So CAS say inadmissible la. Na so ogitum so or the bedi hu dwuma kura enye yi. Nti abatu egu. 2 Eshishaya GFA na ye the player status committee appeals committee nes waji atum no omo CAS omo so fuaso enti de di kan was a Temayu ni tua 688,000 euros at my Young Red Bull omo wi a was so mutual 150,000 euros edema GFA. Omo wia e was so mutual 150,000 euros edema Galka. Cars agiatum say. Then and so eke bia ye boy bia wo cars e dwumadie ho. Parties omo ye involved ni na all the legal cost Tema Youth ne betua. Legal cost be PM wo cars ya no. Tema Youth ne bebo ho ka efe ni ntua. Ebion cars asanso ahye se Tema Youth no uncompensated the GFA sika ne boye 4,000 a year Swiss francs, which is somewhere around 3,800 euros in here. 3,800 euros or 3,500 euros, maybe 3,800 US dollars. Ontua says canon farmer the GFA as part of omo legal fees omo inke. Say if in the court in the baby. And now Tema Youth to the assembly by. Inti if no kofa lawyers or mujina na name edi djuma mo nti legal fees na lawyers ne charge ye no. Omo Tema Youth no omo ntia mu 4,000 Swiss francs no and farmer the Ghana Football Association. And so omo share sa ebion decision ni na buy na efe na agi atum say then omo the cars dwumedie no cars aye award na arbitral award no omo gitum omo so asom ene yesari Tema Youth ye ntem ne betue ska no na CCA kra no so won't use kana 3.3 goals na still effective tie be koso atel na de aba be kan won say asem na che from March de be see and more than a year. March 2022 and there was September 2023 and then you watch na ni ye rem ni akwa October nyakopon ya adomo a enti enam sa asem na tra October 2022 na ye yakọ to October 2023 no omo the transfer ban asanso to Tema Youth so kopim so betu iska number class em ne die free o transfer ban no within Ghana Tema Youth own to mean top player ana own to mean top player international Tema Youth to mean top player own to mean top player
ba gutim
he asem no ne tofani boni na no Sunday City
okay Madasa pa Marcus Arbodu nti jabai a quick comment on it.
I think it was needless for Tema Youth to drag this.
Because you can't buy.
No, yeah. You see, and mostly nyoma koso the grassroots level. Amount for bu, amount for fasosa. Oba be for player, or a small club, we need be or do anymore, or you're powerful and or be for player, or no be cut terms, or no be cut terms never you know. A faini a yas the san yomem. And on mostly or more level no. Omo sheda nye deeply inclined a fan of football mrane sanyo manyoma no. Did they be able for almost?
Yes, and okay.
So it was needless to drag this. Mark at 30%. There was a similar case involving Afinejan and Ata Legacy. Saukaya good. Sanyoma way cost too much. It was needless. Sikana is saying pay the a year required amount. Unya 3 million euros. 30% no pay to them. To your FADMano, to your Gaka Diamano. You are free, you still get money. Eventually the player will be sold. There is a sell-on clause at Shema Obenya be free. Oh, no, I drag ya so much on home and so Oko cast BI was scared. Case way no kwano. Oko cast 3 times. 1 for stay of execution, 2 for injunction, 3 for the substantive case. Imagine the legal cost. See, we na cast say when in an illegal cost ne be 14,000 Swiss francs yeah, you got be $15,000. Sika we no kwa. Now it has affected your status as a Division 1 league club. Is a demotive. And a how?
Oh, papa.
Good, because you need now to commit money to force a campaign so be back to
Division 1.
Division 1 The next one. Players or mobile kweni na no sisi ye the embargo at almost untumi nton ebi amen ma bobo ni ye pa me gidi say afi we ye mafe ntinke bia benya contract bi na makwa abrochire sisi ye we ntumi
say motivation
me kokko pre say me a free agent e wo the same PSC say o Tema Youth na akokan na ba be kame ntu ngonko wi umoko ma meme ma mete home free in this area omundi claim me free agent na menko but look at the stress you put the player through. When the simple act would have been just fulfill your part of the promise, yagye atom 30%, waton player 30% pay. Kiyewie.
Me da say Michael Asarebodu na hotel kan ma me ko papa poko papa. Kotoko Dr. Prosperity Ogun and Steven Mukwala and Central for Shire. Sasuna and Tema Youth and Ghana Football Association issue Abedaba Masu. Oh, fine.
Coach Prosperity Ogun and then the boys no monkey come kakra. If Kotoko don't get maximum points against Karela, it will be a bad start. So Kotoko and shake Karela, because said then it was about out of 9 points or more 2. That is less than 35%.
Say so more one no. It is in case of
make shake Karela.
Let's say oh can
so more 1 and also more 2.
Okay.
So ombo draw more 2. Which na mu miensa 333 enu. So what I say? Oh, they make it so me
you know you have been a pa.
Enti I was saying, my team banner results in team, but it's very important. Some many results because some many results now, it affects everybody. Or more fans, no. Some Beba Stadium, some Mumba, some video echi, and Koma Equachi, got to call Lusu and Comono Fountain, no near Chiro. And
what they have come say, I never finished Kotoko Lusu gamer. Say, oh, Bana Yadu Fountain, Nipani Nimu. No, the answer, but you say, watch it, which one would you know? Tibia, we 2 but only 30 seconds more than 5.
Good day. Come here, but I ain't Kakradi, I need a sanity. So, until Omunia results. Mukwala na or Tihon. Coach Nimbisan said, didn't know about chances to Gusa. Cause now will be any chance I know Bogunem was in Central Fono, a man if I knew the 90th minute on the goalkeeper or yes or pass ya move ya be cartoon. This is your number 9, your top scorer last season. I say into the mirror. Confidence. Oh, I mean Obogu about chance
na Ebasa player no and I say coach
he did not even start the season. We Kotoko. No we pre-season no so make call because now no. But university wa Ghana and 10. And Kotoko no unse Kotoko was standing enemy atamfo no. Omo mo jidi say I treating na ya onponze yezi yi nedi no. Is omo mo na beje kaba na dwume. Ya men ko ane no kwafo yesi. So, you know, omunya results back mienu bi a. E ma man fa ka oma no atum. Enye results a nko be bisa say e say wakache players no more rasta no so bi enkanity. I mean, I've known him for some time. Rasta did akomi ambo school team. There be o born the chair on the 9
na born the nanu ya ne de.
You know release born in them. And we akomi free school team. No the ko en century.
Doctor na yin free school. Oh.
Doctor Ndumo. Sort as there.
Oh, where the headline pa o.
Akomi and playmates no.
Akomi ahonsem doso. Okro ya ukwa bruchiri. Bibinti wanko.
Has left back in the friend saying. Has left back your Bob last season. Cause I come here playmate. Adana ayeko ahana unkan bi. Ana Michael son kan. Menene na abu yeko Kumasi prisons o. You want number 9 of prison. Akomi bisa say na dey na. We jam for the boy be Ghana prisons. Honestly bisa akomi na dey do to radio so kabo was na go bobi.
Sompa FM.
So, you know, on your BB, you get it. I mean, Kotoko need a spark.
Okay.
Has Lusu or Tamale. I'm not sure on crying. And ya has shadow no mashekeko. Say, I'm with Masha Maso, could do Quano. Had the mum. Kotoko ne out of Lions, but drove here. Kotoko Ako Lusu or BBNI. I was some Besha Kaila. The problem is that 2 seasons on the run, Kotoko share Kaila. 4 games. I'm not sure that. Kaila and Kotoko boy NC tournament final Abi Okumasi. A call penalties.
And a task no so.
Exact. And they are coming with the goal monger in Evans Adomako.
And Maxwell so call, you know. A chilwas or the stability be aba.
And I make her say, I mean, Omu now have a point to prove. Max also Oba Krumai also Jinan Yam for the back no because someone like that or Yawu Nimwa or say a P. Exact. So I also be no semi in the panel. I no sign play I cannot sign interpreter.
French for the bar.
You know, you better send him a bit me afa. I disagree so I'm separation ni almost wa. You see, he's the leader. Until also Babo until no be fronty. Separation ni also. But me who no. And to ko bia no match officials na ko ni bibia ni no. Prosper. Na bibia ni omo area or na bibia ni ba kwa beji na ho. So the results are not coming. And team now also not settled. Chop change. Into no and then best parties to the suit to don't find chemi. But
Sompa
you know,
FM.
it's a heavy amodembe konasa.
Ade.
Tema youth case no. Zoom sessions no. Na me TB.
Okay.
I have pictures on my phone. And that meant me NT because of school no I'm recording in mami. There is more to it than what the papers say.
Okay.
Tema youth
check akra.
Tema youth for in PF a Red Bull no young Red Bull no. I want to create a card. No more player I'm up no some magic player no ska. They don't deserve any money. Omabi almost said this can they are no money.
And yeah, young Red Bull for the
Near the card. Joseph Pencil card. I want hon. Nipa pay yasi. No Oma Omuye. Joseph Pencil when you are penny I'm so no say football I said Pencil or baby. Joseph Pencil about Black Stars. Or nim you are penny subo.
Okay.
Football. So yeah, na me yasa me nko asa sabon sam then I go to the other side. But I respect the decision of CAS because I want your documents.
Yeah.
On the basis of documents, quickly. You see? Okay. Okay. So you said for your staff or your club official about Victory Warriors.
Aye.
Good. But FNA system
You didn't him.
let's be careful. But me Michael Yadrin. Emra Pama Tofum. Our boys no more yet team who say are there no more no. And yet just court case. On person mu go mu team no. Now san come etenasi. Man no ya me doubts na friend say.
Gado.
Or catch almost say look, the issue is not about CAS.
Sompa FM.
Ne ekoso no enye CAS asem. On person mu good team no. E nipa bia no mo zone mu a. Na they were perceived to be different. Omona they were going after them. Ono Gedo no similar situation.
Na me da so on
Power Rangers similar situation.
Na ya mponsa.
Tell my youth. You get it, personal. Well, you know, I mean, the ruling is fair. Oko cast wedding show. And to us, among Sikana is saying, among Copenamuntia, among Famon. But deep down, da, Sadi we a bit dead, you know. Not just here, the Michael Lecano. Omo did this, juvenile people in the car, among person between. And Crana do na ya Daniel Mudi.
Oh, Sana Michael can be. Oh, call Cronky to a numina. I say, Papa, what him and tell me when you football. No, what to born when I'm son watching quality team. Now be on but almost sit down to football. I say,
so kind of that moment.
Me kind of.
I could be a kind of sound. Now what that moment, and it's our crowd with pencil in the case. Difference be actually. I was some year to say because if they decide to go deep, a crown of veteran.
Okay.
And crown do know one more pack, so no matter somebody. A lot of these young boys, they've changed their names. They have. Dauda Mohammed, Dauda Nobabo Kotokon, Dauda Mohammed Dauda.
Yeah.
Say anything. No register and Angasas once.
Really?
Yeah. Young person near Michael Lawa register Dauda Mohammed, for example, like this. Obenya Sikani Bino.
Sompa
Yɛkɔ a,
FM.
ne akɔ akɔma no din foforɔ ne asesa no date of birth ne ama no nti no wobɛkɔ system num no
ne dini nim
edin Mohammed Dauda na in this case ɔde kɔ aburokyire no and reflect wɔ ha nso ne picture nso ɛyɛ din foforɔ nti yɛyi saa team na ɛtete no every pyramid num so ɔmbɛnya sika no bi that's a story for another day on that day we would all come I be kind nsɛm kakra but then the reality
and football no abufo ne ya obi ɛka obi ntina no ma bi
ɛnu nti na yɛngye cap no it will be very difficult for us to win any international trophy.
And I'm saying, I don't crack counting na footballers no mudu ba bia they can't progress because papa say what team and temba next card be boy ira ko homa de be hwe na wo de hwe nkwada minim obi a nkwada na makwan sia no mopon a omu nyina be da no ho wana na yire ne ne mother single room but obi di bi nya nkwada ne di bi na nyame adum na akwada na koduru ba bia ankali taku bonus be nya esa ya obi hye ni mu a omo mpaye pa ma akwada ne da
football abi ball course club or crew, I mean money deal. Now nipa na obo on the coast team, the team run. Okwabuchi, Oba and Osabe Simon Ghana club, be big money. And of course, una no a friend and say, Mr. Wa, I mean ya back at the hospital na Uhiya Muja. To Mr. Abamodi and I'm 200 cities mata. Oh, and then Minisika. It is cut 2 million. Player and catcher and say, oh manager, Messiah cry man misko. We dem in team boy. A fair player on a Friday. Sunday and you made a necessary way.
Oh.
Sister new Sunday and you made some Sunday a question the city and Tino. Because some dinner or dana the following week Sunday I be having. Some of the share Jordan. Some be dinner or dana ne Jordan.
Sompa FM.
Some dinner or dana. Na player na when you me anim. Etimi abe yena se. Na or dana se. Abre team owner no 5 million. Asa akojina dwom bonds are 5 million.
Hey. You do funu.
So untini yenya sem no. Ne kan ye din. Omkra no. Ubeya Sunny.
That was Sunny.
I like bra. Na ne goalkeeper bi ni wafa. Nye interview one o ka je say makro wa kodi wafa na so press kana mo beso mo. Look, omono de no munya free ball. Nti asema wako bie so abai. Asem a emu duro. Asem a e wo si edi akire kosi.
Oh yes.
If you say Yemfa Temayut enye nsen na homo bia se okoje Temayut de Michael asema waka no me ya o makompa. Temayut so no mko coast player ho okroma ye de ne be mo moja.
Sir.
Of course.
Awo di ntia.
Omo tua sika.
Okay.
Entem so omo ton player next carnival omo tua ntem ntu kuma se ha wana akomena na me no ko hwe edu jamfi and that time say mo wontu mi edu jamfi for na je mil na boy bi boss 6 my edu jamfi for friend say edu sana
okay
ya ko fa akra na akoma liberty for no omo frame me answer omo ne girlfriend na msuo na me de say edu sana me ko na me share akra na man 500 because girlfriend head of mom is can't mama she girlfriend buy no man 2000 na I'm saying me kwa akra na me 1000 na man 700
okay
500 don't fan for car no concrete me kwa akra no why is so called Kumasi South Hospital Atunso Go Hospital ade ane mama ya ida hospital
Sompa FM
me this kind of 1500 ne cost so a day before na pa ma friend Brighter Boy Taylor ama Taylor akoma me no hospital akobiza na won sit saying etua ne hospital bills se we ka kira amon friend no first camera mama ne kremoni no asa scammer imam from bomb high man sad nti akra na amba Temayut
because now say Temayut enim
they understand the business kuma de akra where osai capital the Evans osai usu na captain edu jamfi osai bo Temayut no 2019 Michael on na 23 team they call Egypt no osai can team no nti kuma de ene na adani
papa me da say
great institution
achina sai su e wo se san to aso na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛgo ɛfɔm ne ɛne ɔma tete clubs no nkwala no bi di nkɔmmɔ kora wɔ sɛ yɛyɛ yɛbɛda obi bi ase ha na berɛ me yɛkwa mede dwumadi no asie wote atapoku nka wote Michael Akomiade sports messiah nka saa so na Michael Sarebodu te ne nka medin Edilu Tekin production yɛ Nas Ricardo Varas and a Prince Ebobome. Yabeda obi bi ase adomdom na yɛte nkɔmɔ akyina no pa 7 am hyɛne mfa tip off no mfa mansa 9:30 team ni nyinaa no asa abetena ase am yɛ di full time no abro yakra